Meet Anna, a marketing director who just turned 43. Today, she's meeting her best friends, Carly and Ramon, for brunch at Bistro 370 to celebrate her big day. With jobs, kids, and everything else, it's been nearly a year since they've been able to get together. At the bistro, Ramon makes a toast to good friends and aging gracefully. They have a good laugh at that. But Carly seriously wants to know, besides working out religiously and eating healthy, how does Anna stay looking so youthful? It's super simple, Anna explains. On her last birthday, she decided to give herself an amazing gift, Sculptra Aesthetic treatments with Dr. Litos. She had 3 treatments spread out over several months. Her results were gradual, as promised, and continued to improve for a few months after her final treatment. Anna did her research, and she tells Carly and Ramon that nearly 85% of Sculptra Aesthetic users remain highly satisfied after 13 months, and 80% are still satisfied after 2 years. So far, that's certainly been true for her. For Anna, it's become part of her health and beauty efforts, just like getting her hair done, working out, and eating right. In fact, Anna's next appointment is only a few days away. When Carly and Ramon start asking about Sculptra Aesthetic, Anna invites them to come along and meet Dr. Litos. That way, Dr. Litos can explain everything just as she explained it to Anna. Carly laughs and raises her glass. Oh yeah, it's happening. The following week, Carly and Ramon meet Anna at Dr. Litos' office. Dr. Litos pulls up photos of Anna's Sculptra Aesthetic journey so far. Dr. Litos says that because Sculptra Aesthetic is a biostimulator, which means it helps your body regrow its own collagen, it works with your body, deep in the skin, to help revitalize collagen and restore your skin's natural structure. Dr. Litos explains how age affects the face. There are 3 important materials that give your face volume and support: bone structure, fat, and collagen. Think of it like your sofa. Bones are like the frame, fat is like cushion, and skin is like upholstery. As your body ages, all 3 of these materials experience changes. First, your bones lose volume. With less bone mass, the cheeks begin to take on a sunken look. When it comes to fat, the cushion, fat is lost or shifts as the face ages, causing the skin to sag. Lastly, age brings a decrease in collagen, kind of like the upholstery. Collagen is the protein in your body that forms the support for the skin. Collagen loss results in weaker skin structure, causing lines and wrinkles to appear. Sculptra Aesthetic can create a more youthful look by helping to stimulate collagen production, leading to collagen loss correction where injected. Sculptra Aesthetic works differently than other injectable treatments such as hyaluronic or HA fillers. It's a biocompatible, biodegradable synthetic material called poly-L-lactic acid, which is injected into the skin in a short 2 to 3 treatment series. Penetrating into the deep dermis, Sculptra Aesthetic helps stimulate the body to naturally and gradually rebuild collagen strands. Over the course of several treatments, Sculptra Aesthetic delivers subtle results that emerge gradually. Most people won't notice right away that you've had work done, and Sculptra Aesthetic lasts over 2 years. Once Sculptra Aesthetic does its job, it dissolves and is eliminated, but the collagen structure remains in place. Treatments are generally well tolerated and safe, and adverse effects tend to be mild, temporary, and typical of dermal filler injections. Think of your makeup routine. You have to get the foundation right before applying highlights or color for contouring or eye makeup. Without the right foundation, it's hard to get the rest of your makeup to look good. Sculptra Aesthetic is like the foundation that provides harmony so that everything else looks natural. By helping to replenish the collagen your skin loses as you age, your skin becomes smoother and younger looking. And that makes all the difference. After meeting Dr. Litos, Carly sets up an appointment for herself. Ramon says he wants to try it too. The 4 of them take a selfie while they're still in Dr. Litos' office. They're going to take another one on Anna's 44th birthday and compare. It's great to know that maintaining youthful-looking skin is something you can schedule on your calendar. To find out more about Sculptra Aesthetic, visit sculptraaesthetic.com or schedule an appointment today.